Hello everyone! Welcome to CocoHitech, where nature meets craftsmanship. Every Coir product is more than just handcrafted stuff. It is a combination skilled craftsmanship, careful attention to every detail, and modern manufacturing technology at CocoHitech. Everything Products begins with carefully selected natural coconut fibers. Inside our factory, experienced artisans dedicate themselves to every weave and every finishing touch, transforming natural fibers into durable Coir Mats, aethestic Coir Shade Sails, and luxury Coir Parasols. Alongside traditional craftsmanship, advanced technology machinery ensures high quality, consistent quality, and the capacity to fulfill large-scale export orders. Our mission is not only create useful product, but we create sustainable solutions that respect nature while preserving the craftsmanship behind every piece.